Occam's razor. The simplest explanation tends to be the correct explanation. But concerning planet Earth, there is nothing simple about it. Do you believe you can walk inside a planet your entire life and not even understand it? The answer is yes. The average person spends their entire life working just to stay alive. They do not have time to really observe their planet. But the science community and astrophysicists get paid a lot of money to study the planet. There is no excuse for these agencies to make the greatest blunder in human history. They cannot even comprehend the design of the planet they were born inside of. Their job is to study the planet using the latest, most advanced computers ever designed. This planet that is called Earth, well, is a highly advanced technology. The planet literally writes the information on and in everything in the natural design of everything. In one of the examples on your screen, you will notice the tree. One is a close-up, and the other will be the same tree from a further distance. If you like, you can fact-check this tree by observing the movie. The information sewn into the tree trunk are all images of people. People looking up, looking sideways, people attached to people, and people inside of people. If you invert the tree, you will still see images of people. Every year the tree trunk will seal up the information sewn into the tree. This is what creates the rings. If you have 100 rings, then you will have a 100-year record of the planet, sealed up inside the tree trunk. Planet Earth is in fact a master blueprint, but all the data is dimensional. What you see on this tree trunk is information. The same information can be located on trillions of stones, in the floor of the planet, in clouds, in decay, in wood, in fire, well, everything. When the planet was built, they incorporated the information into the design. They made sure one day we would find it. But as I have been observing the science community for many decades, I cannot tell. Even though we now have the most advanced facial recognition software that ever existed, the planet is much smarter than our advanced computers. The reason this technology man created cannot detect all the data that is sewn into the planet is simple. All the data sewn into the planet is all attached to the information next to it. There is no empty space. Our image technology cannot separate the data. In short, the planet is smarter than our image technology. The design of planet Earth is very complicated. The same data that is inside the planet is on the outside of the planet and even in the heavens. Planet Earth has a tremendous amount of data sewn into it. Embedded into the floor of planet Earth are the instruction man needs to understand the planet. When your scientists ever wake up and begin to understand the design itself, they will need to hire 100,000 scientists to help them absorb all the data sewn into the planet. One day your image technology will show the true design of everything. When this day comes, know this: it was always here since the beginning. We never really looked. We will only give you facts. We will leave the theories up to the science community.